running.
Vi er lige blevet angrebet af en abe. That'll help.
He's like, what else can I eat?
He's eating my damn lollies. And people are just thirsty.
Just be careful, Tanita.
He means business, man.
He's not. Whoa. Don't feed him.
Fuck. Shit, man.
I didn't have my monkey shot.
You scared the living shit out of me.
He's
I'm not kidding.
no. I'm. Hush. 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 Shh.
He doesn't care.
Go away, you stupid monkey.
He hissed at us. He was gonna
He
bite
was
us.
gonna bite us.
Freaking A.
Oh!
Oop. No, he's gonna come and get us.
Are you ready to go inside?
Yeah, well, if you don't lock us out.
Okay. Oh, sorry, I didn't
Look,
see.
you even like made the door broken.
What?
You broke the door. Now it's not on the slider anymore.
Get away.
Just don't move the door, you break my finger.
Don't you think I should do it?
Pull it this way, I think, first.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah.
Visuelt.